Labs, how can you tell if the dog eyes is puppy eyes?
Because usually you see whites right
White?
around. Yeah, the white of his eyes. He'll start making his eyes wider. Get it. Get it.
Just pet. Let us see if he have a puppy eyes. It's not puppy eyes.
Oh, look what she got, bud. Yeah.
Is that puppy eyes now?
No, he'll look pitiful.
Beautiful beggar.
Yeah. He already knows you're going to give him some. See, he don't have to give you puppy eyes. He already knows you'll share with him. So, see, there's no whites in his eyes.
Yeah, his eyes is demanding eyes.
Yeah. He said, I know what the hell you want. You want this bullshit here. But you can see, like, his eyes like that right there.
Puppy eyes.
Yeah, a little bit, right? His eyes are starting to widen up.
Give me a puppy eyes. Come on, give me a puppy eyes.
Oh.
One more.